In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Uber to your bank account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Uber application, then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says account. From here, you want to go ahead and select on wallet. You will then be brought to a screen that looks like this. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you do link your bank account to the Uber application. Now, in order to do that, all we need to do is we need to go over here to where it says payment methods, and we need to press on add payment method. And this is basically going to allow funds to go from Uber directly to our bank account. So let's go ahead and press on add payment method, and then let's go ahead and press on a bank account just like so. But alternatively, if you guys want to use something like a credit or debit card or like Venmo, then those are also options you guys can go ahead and do. But for this video, let's go ahead and select on bank account. All right, it is now going to take us to a page that looks like this. And basically it is going to give us a list of all of the supported banks. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and find your bank. And if you can't find it on this list, then make sure to go ahead and utilize the search bar. But I'm just going to go ahead and select my bank. All right, and then once you're over here, you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say agree and continue. And now you want to go ahead and enter in your email address, and then it might send you like a confirmation code. Yep, there you go. And it should be like 6 digits long, and then there you go. Now, because I did do this in the past, it is actually going to give me direct access to my bank account. However, if you never used it before, then you want to go ahead and press over here where it does say add bank account. And basically you need to go ahead and log in with your bank details. You need to use your bank username and your bank password. And once you're done with that, it will actually allow you to complete the following steps. Now, the process might look slightly different depending on what bank you're using, but ultimately you need to go ahead and sign into your bank account with your bank username and password. And after you're done with that, then you will notice that your bank should appear over here. And all you want to do is you want to select on your bank account, then go ahead and press on connect account. And then there you go. You will now get something that does say success. Your account was connected. So go ahead and press on done. And now it is going to open you back onto Uber. There you go. Go ahead and press on done. And now all you want to do is you want to go back to your cash wallet, and you will notice that at the moment we have 0 funds. However, if you do have some money on that account, then you should see an option that does say move of funds or something along those lines. And basically what you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on that option. And then from there, you want to go ahead and select on your bank account. Then you should be able to go ahead and transfer your funds from your Uber account to your bank account directly. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.